We need to talk.
There it is again.
You sound serious.
Yeah, that's the...
Sit down, Toad.
You two better listen. He never wastes words. Well?
This station has problems.
Oh, do we now?
What kind, Feather Guy?
He's gonna file a complaint?
Big problems.
Aw, great. Add it to the list.
We'll get right on it, Detective.
What problem?
Not enough snacks.
We'll have to fix that.
I'm here as an independent consultant.
Oh, are you now?
He said it like he practiced in the mirror.
Two specialty feathers.
Intelligence gathering. Seeds optional.
And what do you charge?
Consultant rates apply.
Eating crackers. Spoiling them. Attention, everyone. Audit in progress.
Did a bird just give the notice?
You might have started a trend.
Copy that. Audit acknowledged. Nice work, whoever you are.
Copy. Over and out.
You earned that scratch, buddy.
Smile if you've eaten donuts today.
Busted. Guilty. You heard of it?
That's what I thought. Donut Squad. Confirmed.
He's not wrong.
Chief's gonna want a photo. Smiles, people!
You look pretty comfortable up there, little guy.
He's been watching everyone walk by like he's the captain.
Evidence.
Whoa, did he just say evidence?
Yep, clear as day.
Guess he's ready to log some property tags.
Evidence.
Violation number 1. Too happy.
Oh boy.
This place is supposed to be gloom and paperwork. Smiles are suspicious.
You writing us up, Sergeant Feathers?
Consider this a warning. Smile Patrol is watching.
Oh, that's too good.
All right, back to business.
Hear that breath he takes?
Disappointing.
Oh, wow, he nailed it. That's exactly Captain's tone. You practicing speeches for him, Featherball? Straighten up.
Straighten up.
We're getting scolded by a bird now.
Better than the real thing.
Coffee. I need coffee.
He's serious. Here. Careful, it's hot. Who made this?
That'd be me.
It's dangerously good.
Mandatory retraining. You heard the bird. Better brush up. Mandatory retraining.
You gonna run the session, partner?
I take attendance. You better sign us up before he writes us up. Training day.
All right, buddy, show us the siren again.
I love it. Trying.
Excellent emergency response.
Hear that? We've got his seal of approval.
I'd frame it if Parrots handed out certificates.
He'd probably sign it with a bite mark.
Certified sharp beak.
You keep praising him like that, he's gonna start requesting his own locker.
And tiny handcuffs.
All right, big moment. You ready?
I'm ready.
Bring it here, hero.
Careful, he's serious about his awards.
Here you go. Special delivery.
Thank you, buddy.
Read it.
Good job surviving.
That's perfect.
Fits the day, doesn't
You survived. I
I'll
approve.
wear it with pride.
Good officer.
Good survivor.
All right, ladies, let's keep the paperwork flying. Captain's orders.
You calling yourself the captain again?
Chair fits, badge fits, attitude fits. What else do you need?
Maybe opposable thumbs?
Minor detail. I've got personality and impeccable plumage.
Can't argue with the plumage.
What about
Dictated
the report
it to the
you owe me,
voice
Captain?
recorder.
I like this power.
You like it, huh? He's getting comfortable.
Seems like he owns the place
You're
already.
spoiled, you know that?
He's loving the attention. All right, partner, you had your fun. Can I get my badge back now?
Denied.
Oh, come on.
Serious? She's serious.
Dead serious. Look at that face.
All right, I see how it is. Negotiations later?
Maybe.
Maybe. Great. Guess I'm on loaner status.
You earned that one.
Yeah. Don't let it go to your head, Feathers.
Okay, Feathers, what's the verdict?
Officer Ramirez, step Suspicious confidence.
Oh no, not again.
Guilty as charged, huh?
Extremely. Peak level overconfidence spotted in the break room. Has the right to
Need the
remain
cuffs,
honest.
detective.
Next.
Tell me everything.
He's serious, you know. We're just here to help.
Take your time. Nobody's rushing you.
Look, whatever happened out there, we can figure it out together.
Start at the top. I'll listen.
He's better at this than most detectives I know.
Yeah, and totally bite free. Usually.
Usually.
Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
Smart choice.
You heard him. You heard him.
Who, buddy? Who's
Sounds like it knows more than it's saying.
Is the little guy doing his own interrogation again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, detective, anything else you want on the record?
Case solved.
Case solved. Got it.
She did it. She did it. She did it.
Police coming through. That chair's gonna get dizzy before he does. Slow down.
Ridiculous, buddy.
All clear.
Good work, officer. Ready to file your report?
Need snacks first.
Move your reports a sec. The tail's coming in hot.
Make way for dessert, people.
Oh, box looks fancy.
Wait till you see inside.
Cake for me? I accept bribes.
Not a bribe, Featherhead. It's a welcome home.
Candles up. Ready?
Ready to demolish. Make a wish, buddy. Wish for extra seeds.
What's in the box?
Evidence, Featherball. Nothing you need to worry about.
Smells funny. Suspicious.
It's a pair of gloves, I promise. Someone left them at a scene.
Easy there, detective. Not everything's a mystery.
Mystery keeps me sharp. Sharp as my beak.
Call it solved then?
Solved. For now.
Well, would you look at that? It's me, but sweeter.
You weren't kidding, Sarge. I actually can't tell where the feathers end and the frosting begins.
The beak's a little shiny. I approve.
You approve a cake? That's new.
I'm a complex bird, layers like sponge cake.
Wait till you taste it, boss. They bake.
You're handsome.
You hear that? He just roasted you. Or complimented you. Depends how you take it. He sounds jealous.
You're handsome.
Oh my God. He won't let it go.
Be true then.
You're handsome.
Your new friend settling in okay? He loves the attention. Watch this. Whoa! Easy there, hero.
You trying to start a panic or what?
He's got a whole routine now. All right, guys, settle down. He just wants an audience.
Nobody move.
Whoa. Copy that, boss bird.
Easy there. We just want a peek.
Maybe light the candles?
Garden it like it's gold.
This cake is evidence.
Roger that. I'll log it.
Make sure you write delicious in the notes.
Proceed.
Anybody? Just for evidence. Call animal control.
He's not wrong.
Relax, Featherball. Nobody's coming after you.
We're just logging the knife.
Consider it noted. Serious business.
You got that right.
And then I told him, you cuff yourself, buddy, right? And he did! Can you believe? Wait. Something sweet in the air? Oh ho. Chocolate, frosting, vanilla bean?
You caught that from across the room?
Parrot nose never lies. There's cake over there and it wants to meet me.
Not until briefing's done, detective. You really are the star of the squad room today, huh?
Star reporting for duty.
He nailed the delivery again. Go on, take your snack.
Copy that. Crunchy. Approved.
Is it good?
Best apple in the precinct.
We're gonna have to start charging you rent.
I'll pay in feathers.
Deal.
Oh. And then I said, you call that a cracker? More like a splinter with salt.
Classic, right? That's
got material for days. I keep them in my feathery sleeve.
Did he just? Whoa. He's frozen.
Like statue frozen.
He really did grab the pen right off the
Like it's
desk.
a pickpocket.
We were all laughing before I could stop him.
And you traded him a cracker to get it back.
Worth it.
Not yet, buddy. Hold your punchline. I think he's proud of himself.
Look at that face.
He knows exactly
Yeah.
what he's doing.
Worth it.
He died with honor.
You remember him, huh, buddy? Sure sounds like it.
That bird's got a memory better than mine.
Get it back up. Desk conquered.
Look at you, champ. That was
He's got better climbing skills than half the rookies.
I train daily. Seed-based regimen.
Oh, sure. I'll write that into the fitness manual.
You're welcome.
Audit complete.
Good work, partner.
Anything we missed?
And he'd tell us.
You did okay.
Well, thanks, little guy.
That's high praise from you.
Don't get used to it.
How about a fist bump?
Professional.
He's got better form than some rookies.
You're part of the team now.
Copy that. Lots of it.
He's staring right into the lens again.
Show off.
Gives me goosebumps every time he does that.
Smart little guardian, huh?
Yeah. All right, back to it.
He's been eyeing the box all morning.
Can't blame him. They smell like they just came out of the fryer.
Don't encourage him. Last week he stole half a cruller.
He looks like he's planning something right now. Planning or plotting, same thing.
What's it gonna be, partner?
Yeah, talk to